Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today, because clearly I have some sort of disease, I picked up yet another new project. I know the Volvo's not done, I know there's a lot to do on the Blazer, but I've been wanting to do something for a long time and finally pulled the trigger. So that right there is a 1942 Chevy pickup cab. Just picked it up off Facebook Marketplace. Guy was nice enough, helped me load it. I grabbed a pallet, and he helped me load it on there, and had to drive all the way through downtown Denver because I didn't want to take it on the interstate because it's a cab ratchet strapped to the bed of an S10 with a pallet. So, not the wisest thing to do, but it's very secure. Didn't shift at all, I'm really surprised. So, now it's time to unload it. Okay, now I'm going to get my very forgiving wife and have her help me unload that into the rest of the garage. So there she is, all unloaded in the garage. Just kind of placed the doors on with a little bit of string there. Doesn't have hinges, so I'm gonna have to order some hinges. So yeah, plan is I've got an S10 Blazer that I've been parting out, and we're gonna use the frame from that for this guy. Going to use that small block Chevy that's sitting in the corner. That's going to be its power plant, and going to have to figure out a transmission because the Chevy currently it's 4-wheel drive. I'm going to strip it and gut it and make it a 2-wheel drive. Going to probably get some sort of maybe the correct grill and radiator, maybe aftermarket like Model A Ford grill and radiator, mount that up front. And then it also came with these bed sides. These are a long bed. They've also seen better days, so what I'm going to probably do is either cut them and take a section out of the middle, or more likely drill out these spot welds, move that rail or that post further forward, and then or back in this case, and then cut the frame or cut the actual bedside down to make short box, because S10 Blazer is not a long vehicle. I've got obviously a whole bunch of parts to source. Not going to be a full restoration, obviously. It's going to be a a little rat rod project, so it'll either stay its kind of rusty patina, or I'm going to end up painting it flat black, standard hot rod mode. The running theme with all my cars these days is blue, so I'm going to probably do blue accents, either white or blue accents, and maybe a blue interior. But yeah, so new project. All right, that's all I got from now. Feel free to give a like or subscribe if you want to see a bit more of how this project goes. Hopefully plan on gutting the S10 and stripping the frame in at least the next couple months. But winter's upon us, so we'll see how that goes. Anywho, yeah, keep watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.